Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive, stock number E1807P. 18,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, velvet red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Grand Cherokee seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Laredo has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.